Welcome, let's talk about Coinbase and Luna. Now, for me, I think that Coinbase have already listed Luna Classic, okay? The only thing they need right now is just for Coinbase to still release Luna Classic. Like many people like right now, they keep talking about Coinbase partnering or listing to Luna Classic. Actually, this is not the first time they have actually listed this coin. So though recently one of the developers actually come out to say that they are now getting closer to the point where Coinbase can also partner and release. Let me use their word, release to Luna Classic, because they have listed the coin already. So just that they removed Luna Classic after what happened to Luna Classic last year. So now the fact that Coinbase wants to list Luna, I don't think it will still bring or increase the burning of Luna Classic if Luna keep on hoping on the tax burn. Yes, it is true that Coinbase listing will definitely bring a lot of value. Coinbase listing will bring a little more market cap, and the community definitely Luna Classic will benefit from Coinbase, because Coinbase are just like Binance. If they can bring the support just like Binance is doing right now, it will help Luna Classic. It will shorten the time frame Luna needs to hit to rise up to 1 cent. But currently, there is no strong project. There is no strong strategy that Luna Classic wants to use except for the tax burn. So even though if we have exchanges like Coinbase, 10 of them listing Luna Classic, without huge burning of Luna Classic LUNC, it will not still do anything. Luna Classic will still remain where they are, right? So I still believe that for me, if I'm Luna Classic developers, what they should concentrate more is on how themselves that are holding huge coins of Luna Classic, the top supporters like Binance founder Cezi, if they can burn coins, some percentage of what they have staked or what they are holding, this is what Luna Classic needs right now. For Coinbase, it is good. Yes, it is done. They have listed this coin. They just need to release this coin. But even if Coinbase lists Luna Classic right now, what will be the fate of Luna Classic? Will it change everything? I don't think so, because Luna, with all the support, with all the burning, I think Binance have been showing great support towards Luna Classic. I don't see what Coinbase can do right now that Binance is not doing ×2. I don't see what Coinbase can do right now towards Luna Classic that Binance is not doing already. And yet, Luna is really experiencing a lot. It's proving difficult for this coin to revive back to a point where a lot of people will massively start rushing to invest on Luna Classic. But right now, I think they really need different approach. They need different ways, okay? So Coinbase and Binance is going to form a formidable force to help Luna Classic rise. It's quite understanding. But right now in crypto industry, things are not really moving, especially for Luna Classic. So, but one good thing is that Coinbase certainly will list LUNC, and I also believe that many other coins will definitely rise very soon, because I believe before the end of this year that Bitcoin will hit $55,000, extra $25,000 more. It's not even up to 100%. This is Bitcoin definitely going to rise about 94% more before the end of the year. And for Luna, I believe they also rise about 200% more before the end of the year. Then the other coins like Ethereum, I'm expecting Ethereum to rise about 160% more before the end of the year. So many coins will rise before the end of the year, because this year has been said to be a bullish year for crypto industry. I also believe so many exchanges have been married. We can see different new exchanges have really come out. We have so many exchanges right now, unlike last year. So we just need to engage with these exchanges. They need to work with these new exchanges, and many more exchanges will definitely be coming up before the end of the year. So let's see how things goes on. Let's see how all these new exchanges can get up to 30 new listening. It will help to win a classic LUSD. Once again, this is not a financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.